Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing some earbuds from an earbud company you probably not be familiar with, but I've heard some things about. The Tranya. These are the T10s. You got 12mm drivers, waterproof, Ipx7, crystal clear calls, aptX audio, enhanced touch controls, and they got type USB or USB type C wireless charging. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Yeah, I got the Tranya M10s, and ooh, wait till you see what that charging case looks like. All right. Yeah, they're not childproof. Nice. Alright, got your booklet right here. Let's see what we get in the box. Get a 5 months extended warranty. Okay, get a sticker, user manual, and that's pretty much it. Now for the earbuds. Yeah, it's a pretty small case. You see the buds inside? Yes, the buds are inside. Let's look at the case for a minute. USB type C, Tranya logo up top, LED indicator lights. Let's see what else we get. This will be the charging cable and the silicone tips. Alright, so yep, USB type C and extra silicone tips. That's large and small. So the medium is already on there. Hopefully they fit. Let me pair them up to my phone right quick. Let's see. All right. Okay, I gotta take them out of the case. Let's see. Okay, what about now? What? They ain't got no juice? Oh, Tranya, what y'all doing? Ain't got no juice? Oh, ain't got no juice. I guess I gotta charge these things up. Okay, now where was I? Oh, yes. I was about to pair these up to my phone, because these didn't have any juice out of the box. So all you gotta do is open these up, and there should be a prompt as soon as you take them out of the case. Yep, I just heard it. Okay, there you go. There's a prompt. There. Connected. I've been listening to a few songs, and these sound good. They sound really good. Sound clear, crisp. These also have EQ mode, normal and bass boost. I'll talk about that in more further detail in the review. Also, let me do a little size comparison. These are the T10s, and these big mamma jammas is the M10. Notice how much smaller the T10s are to the M10. These look like that thing from that science fiction movie with Jodie Foster and Matthew McConaughey. These are big. That's a big case. This is a much better size, much more portable, easier to open. They don't flop, the lid don't flop around, and full touch controls. So you got volume up, volume down, calls, previous track, next track, Have full control. Ipx7 Waterproof. I'm gonna test that out. So come back, hear what I have to say in my review. Thank you for watching.